This 2024 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 7164 RBX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new Coachmen is 19 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 2, stove-top burner, LP detector, skylight, Colorado detector, external shower, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, air conditioning, leveling jacks, awning, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 7164 RBX is 2,921 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.